Hello friends, today on this video I'm going to show you how to record slow motion video on Vivo. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on camera, then from here you are able to see more, or on the side there is nothing, no, so click on more here. After you have been click on more, here you are going to find the slow mo, to click on slow mo. So here is the slow motion. Try to click for video. So here I leave it. Why it's not moving? So here is the, let's record it. So here I have recorded some videos. Okay, so let's put it back and let's check the videos how it is. See, it's very slowly, it's used to move. I was moving like this, no, but it's moved so slow. See, you can record slow motion video like this. Okay, it's very slow when it's move. Also I was moving like this, so fast, right? So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.